There we go. Let's go get ice cold. Oh, what's my step? I just fell over. They've given me the glasses, and I do remember this. Right, let's go. Gonna get the glasses on first. Woohoo! Wow, look at that. Oh, can't really see this, but look at that. I'm gonna do it without the glasses. Just to try and get some clips. Oh, one of these mazes. What way we're gonna go? What way are we going? This way? No? Yep. We made it this far. It's good. I think I'm too big as well. Oh. Caution, step. Let's not fall over this one. Oh, that's Bigfoot. Top secret. Professor Wobble Pops fact file. I didn't just make that up. Here we go. Not really sure what to expect here. Woo, that's me. Oh, it's a vortex tunnel thing. I do not like these. How do we all feel about these things? Oh no. I don't want to look through the camera. It makes it even worse. Oh wow. That's pretty dizzy, that one. Press here. Oh! Look at that reflection. Oh! I think that's us. Oh, look at a vortex.